America, 2060, a country transformed by technology and protected by the most advanced AI policing system ever created. Inside the heart of Washington, D.C., a powerful AI command center monitors the entire nation, predicting crimes before they happen. Flying patrol drones sweep across American skies, scanning streets and keeping cities safe day and night. Humanoid police robots support officers with speed, precision, and zero delay. Highways use AI checkpoints that verify IDs in seconds, while smart street cameras recognize threats instantly. Deep inside cyber labs, AI fights hackers long before they can attack American systems. Police officers wear futuristic AR glasses that project real-time information, giving them superhuman awareness. Robot canine units patrol neighborhoods, detecting danger with perfect accuracy. AI ambulances respond within moments, saving lives with instant routing and robotic medical support. Self-driving cars follow AI-guided traffic rules, reducing accidents and preventing chaos. Virtual courtrooms analyze digital evidence with crystal clarity, ensuring faster and fair justice. Even prisons are smart now, managed by AI security grids that maintain order without violence. And as the sun rises over future America, a new era begins, where humans and AI work together to protect a safer, stronger nation.